Very excited to be back in Guanajuato. This is my 4th season, and it feels like a home away from home, so I feel very comfortable and excited to be back part of the team. I just want to tell all the fans and the community that it's going to be a great year. We've gotten better every year, and I expect a lot of big things from the team this year. Vamos Abejas!